This guy. Oh, man. Hello? I told you I'd be back on time, ma. Okay. I'll be there before the party starts, all right? Okay, bye.
Dude, what happened?
My dad has organized a party at home today for friends and relatives to celebrate me completing my degree. So mom is calling me again and again, asking me to come back home quickly, man.
Are you planning to leave then?
No. After spending all these years together, we are here to be happy today, right? How can I just leave in the middle? See, I can meet my parents and relatives every day, but will I be able to meet you guys every day now?
Yeah, man, the friendship gets diverted once we get our results, you know?
Exactly. Can we keep on studying and going to the college? Look, our parents are growing old and we have grown up now. Their life is over and ours has just started.
But my life isn't getting started. It's just only going to continue.
Meaning?
I'm supposed to continue Dad's life. Dad is making an announcement today at the party saying that his son is going to be MD of this company from tomorrow. I am supposed to continue his business, his accounts, his meetings. It's just a continuation of my dad's life. I have my own life to start. But Dad doesn't agree.
I want the work done, that's all. I don't know how you do it. Yeah.
Dad.
1 second. Call you later. Look. If you are singing the same old song, I don't want to listen. I gave you education so that you can continue to run my business. I have invested hundreds of crores in this business. Who is going to do this business apart from you?
Please, Dad. Home, property, bank balance, you made it all. What else do we need? We are just 3 of us. We have more money than we can actually spend. Just like dumping more mud on the hill, should I just keep on adding more and more money into the account and then spoil my own life in the process?
So, what's your plan? Do you want to lose all my hard-earned money in the name of social work?
It's not that, Dad. I feel it's useless to use my energy and knowledge for my own growth. Instead, I want to do some work which is useful for the poor. I will make my own contribution towards the growth of this country. I will have my own identity, and then there will be a satisfaction in the work I do.
Look, Vinay. If you want to really help the poor, start one more business. Give employment to those poor people. It's also social work.
Any business which exploits the hard work of hundreds of people to make profit is not social work, Dad. When those who can afford can give a life to those who can't, it is called social work. And this is exactly why I have plans of giving life to lakhs of helpless people out there.
Vinay, see how your friendship with the middle class and the low class guys has ruined your life. Vinay, these ideals are not for the people like us. We have to work according to our status.
How can I bury my dreams to fulfill your dreams, Pa? I'm your son, not an investment. Please try to understand me.
Okay. What do you get if you run behind your ideals? A shawl worth of 100 rupees or a garland of 50 rupees? That's all, nothing else. See, Vinay, don't think I just know business. I know life too. You have to listen to me. Vinay, stop!
So, what do you plan to do?
I don't know. I'm confused.
My fate is similar too, guys.
What?
Yeah, bro. We want something. Our parents want something else. It's the same thing that's happening in my house too.
What are you going to do? Are you not going to US?
Dude, come on. It's not like I want to go there. My parents are forcing me to go there. Mom, please speak to Dad. I don't want to go to America.
Look, even if he agrees, I'm not going to agree. I've told the entire town that my son is going to America. Now if you refuse to go, what will happen to my prestige?
Mom, please.
Don't say a word. My neighbors, our friends, relatives, their neighbors, their friends. Why? Even my brother. They've all sent their children to America and they've been there themselves. When they tell me this is how it is there, my son is living like this, I feel like not a mixer but a grinder is churning inside my stomach. Why shouldn't we experience the happiness that they all are? Will it not make us proud if you settle down in America?
How can just going to America make you guys proud?
If you settle down in America, then we can also come and see America. Then I can proudly tell everyone my son is in America.
Well said. Kiran, for middle-class families like us, if you go to America, it'll add name to our society.
You live in a different era, Dad. These days, anybody can go to America. It's not even a big deal.
Then go there, settle down, take a good job, become a green card holder.
Dad, the grass on the other side is always greener. You think America is heaven? That's not true. Americans are not mad to make us their guests and provide us with all the comfort and wealth. They make us slog, give us money, and make sure we won't be able to save even a single penny out of it. That life is not for us, Mom.
Don't tell all these lies. Those who've gone there so far have never returned. They're all living there happily and peacefully. We want you to live well like them.
Kiran, in India, whatever you do is full of thugs. Whatever job you take, it do not have satisfaction. You will not have good health. Everything is an illusion. People say so many lies to get a loan. But I promise you, I'll get a loan for you. Send you to America for you to get a good job and become an NRI.
If you both become adamant like this, I'll feel lost.
America is in the west direction. The sun that sets here rises there. Even the astrologer has told us based on your horoscope that everything is going to be good. Just stop arguing and do as we say. Otherwise, I'll just think that my son doesn't want to fulfill my wishes. And I'll just die in remorse.
That was the last. I didn't talk to them after that. I didn't argue with them. I've been thinking I will convince them at any cost. There's going to be a big discussion tonight at my place. Wonder what the result might be.
It looks like today's result is more important for you than the degree result. Harsha, you are the luckiest among us. Even though your parents are from village, they still listen to what you say. They don't force you to do something like our parents.
Yes, you're right, guys. I am lucky. My parents don't force me to do something that they want. But that is just one side of the coin. On the other side, I don't have enough money like you guys. I know the value of money. I started supporting my family financially when I was 13 years of age. This was not out of any force or parents' pressure, but due to the plight we were in. Till today, my parents don't know that I was working part-time, and I never want them to know either, because my father is everything to me. And he has never said no to anything that I have asked in my entire life, even though we were in such a bad situation. I love my father. And of course, my mother and my brother too.
Your father is not educated, but he has such a big heart. We are not that lucky.
Yes, man. It's like they have set us up for a race. You run, we will run as well. But yours is not the same. You do not have this pressure. It feels like we are more unfortunate than you.
Hey, don't think that I am more fortunate than you guys. Your parents want your well-being too. I really feel you people should value what your parents want. I mean, look, an omelette cannot be made without breaking eggs, right? Some extent of compromise and sacrifice has to be made for our loved ones.
Chill, dude. Don't be so philosophical. We have just one life to live. So, I want to live the life the way I want.
Think about it. What do you need to lead a good life? A roof over your head and enough money to lead a decent life. Is this why your parents gave you education? No. They have already been living that life, but they are not satisfied with it. Reason being this city, this society. Here people will respect only based on your wealth, property, and hi-fi life. There is no respect for a person who says, I am fine. Everyone respects the one who shows off how well he is living. You should earn more money, wealth and property, and command more respect.
But dude, I have all this.
Bro, don't say I. It's your father's money, not yours. And if you're giving it, it's your father's hard-earned. Maybe that's why he's pressurizing you.
Oh God, I don't know what to do. But all I know is I will do what I want to do.
I understand. But if you do that, you will be blamed for cheating your parents and choosing your own path.
The big question before us is not what we will choose. It's what we will sacrifice.
Expectations are fickle things, aren't they? At birth, we are expected to cry. Later in life, we are expected to love. Eventually, we are expected to perform. The question stands, do we expect the sacrifice or make it?